So earlier today, I saw a post from an Instagram celebrity on Instagram. He shared a video that told of this racist trope about black babies used as alligator bait. Now, this is plausible sounding, but there's no actual proof that this happened. And this was actually debunked, air quotes, debunked in print in 1918. There's sources at the end of this, and you can download this deck in the comments section or the description of this video. Seeing this story being shared and presented and commented on, presented as history, let me know that this is a serious problem we need to address and be mindful of sooner than later. AI doesn't know what's true and what isn't. It's trained on what's on the internet. AI models learn from massive amounts of online content, the good, the bad, and the ugly. That means that repetition will equal reality. If something appears often enough, even if it's not true, AI will treat it as though it's true. Historical myths and systemic prejudices can be embedded into AI. When AI gets it wrong, people can get hurt. This is in the form of fake studies where AI cites research that never existed, spreads false claims as fact. Chatbots reinforce harmful stereotypes about marginalized communities. Inaccurate medical or historical claims can put real lives at risk. The AI misinformation trend is exploding. Just 5% in 2019 and 50% in 2025. The line between real and artificial is becoming harder to spot. AI gets trained on AI slop, and it becomes this vicious feedback loop. AI generates content, models create text, images, articles, they get posted online. The internet is flooded with this without verification. The AI learns from this, and the new models are trained on contaminated data. The myths ultimately multiply. If we don't pause and clean up the data, misinformation can become permanent. So what do? AI literacy and not just tech skills. 1, question who said this, where did it come from, and what's their agenda? Build a healthy skepticism. Train yourself and others to spot red flags and AI-generated content. And never take AI at face value. Always verify outputs with multiple trusted sources before sharing or believing. Here's your AI toolkit, fact-checking resources you can use today. You can use Snopes and factcheck.org for claim verification. Snopes has been around a long time, so is factcheck.org. Sourcebiasallslides.com, you can use that for checking source biases. Google reverse image search for spotting fake images. AI detection, there's extensions like This Is AI that you can use, really great for educators, checking the validity work turned in by students. So you can use this SIFT method. Stop, investigate, find better coverage, and trace claims. Find these tools. I'll link them below. Bookmark them, and they can be your first line of defense against AI misinformation. This is especially important for the elderly population and the generation coming behind us. Yes, they seem like they're more tech savvy and more with it when it comes to AI. Their brains are still developing, so they need to develop critical thinking and discernment. So, can you spot these AI myths? Test your misinformation radar. AI can read your thoughts through your phone. We should know that that's not true. ChatGPT has access to real-time internet data. AI-generated images always have telltale signs. AI models understand context like humans do. All of these are myths. AI can't read thoughts. Most chatbots are outdated. Modern images can really be undetectable. I think that's getting harder and harder to do. And AI processes patterns, not true information. This is the mission that I'm on and why I'm building this channel, because we need more tools and not fear. Misinformation disproportionately harms those who are already fighting for equity and justice. Understanding AI systems gives you the tools to protect yourself and your community. And the systems shaping our world shouldn't be mysteries. They should be accessible to all. And they are great tools. Here's just some examples of real impact of AI misinformation and how it affects different communities. AI chatbots spreading vaccine misinformation in rural communities. Students submitting AI-generated research with false citations. Deep fakes used to discredit activists or community leaders. AI-generated fake investment advice targeting elderly populations. These aren't hypothetical situations. They're happening right now in communities all over the globe. So subscribe to the channel. We're going to talk about myth busting and other tools, coding and things of that nature. So like the video, comment, share your thoughts down below. You can get the link to this deck in the description of this video. There are sources cited here.